This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Oxygen sensor renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly. Slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. 2 oxygen sensors are fitted to the rear of the engine. Disconnect the relevant sensor wiring plug and unclip the wiring harness. Using a split-type deep socket, unscrew and remove the sensor. Apply a little high-temperature anti-seize grease to the sensor threads. Screw in the sensor and tighten it to the specified torque. Reconnect the wiring plug and clip the wiring harness back into place. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.